Hi everyone and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove a Google account from your text messages application. A Google account in Google Messages helps sync and back up your text messages so you can recover them if you switch devices. And it also helps reduce spam by filtering suspicious messages. But it's not required to keep a Google account linked to your messages. In this video, I'll show you how to remove it to use a regular SMS without the Google account. So you're gonna go to the Messages application, open it, then press your profile picture, and then switch account and press use this app without an account. Sign out and you're done. Now you can use the texting application without your Google account. That's it for today. Please subscribe, like the video. See you in the next one.